Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we talked about how to delete a double linked list. Hope the concept was clear. Now in this video, let's recap all the time and space complexities that we have seen for all the 6 algorithms till now. So we have seen that creation of a double linked list was taking order of 1 time because all that we were doing is we were inserting some values in head and tail and creating a blank node and then linking this node with head and tail. So all of this will take constant time operation. Similarly, space complexity was order of 1 because we created single node and 2 reference variables. Then we saw the insertion operation. So in case of an insertion, it was taking order of n time, and the reason was that if we want to insert any node in between any 2 nodes, in that case we have to traverse starting from the first node, keep going towards right until we reach location minus 1 node. So in the worst case we might have to traverse almost the entire linked list. So in that case it will take order of n time. Space complexity will be order of 1 because all that we are doing is we are creating a new blank node and inserting in between 2 nodes. So it will take order 1 space complexity. Now the next operation was traversal. So traversal was taking order of n time because we visit each and every node in the list, and that will take order of n time. Space complexity will be order of 1 because we use some temporary variables to run the loop, nothing more than that. Now in case of double linked list, we can traverse in 2 ways. That is our regular traversal from left to right and reverse traversal, that is from right to left. In both the cases, time complexity and space complexity will be same. Now the next operation was searching for a given value in the list. So again, in the worst case, we have to traverse the entire list to find out the node in which the value exists. So it was taking order of n time complexity. Space complexity was order of 1 because we were using some temporary variables for loop and other works, nothing more than that. Now deletion of a node was taking order of n time because let's say if we want to delete any of the node which is in between 2 nodes, then we have to start traversing from first node and go till the previous node. So this in the worst case will take order of n time because we might have to travel almost the entire list, and then the node that we want to delete we find out towards extreme last end of the list. So it will take order of n time. Now space complexity was again order of 1 because we will use some temporary variables, nothing more than that. Deletion of a list was taking order of n time. Reason was we traverse each and every node out there and update the previous reference to null. So for that we have to traverse all the nodes, and hence it will take order of n time. Space complexity again will be order of 1 because we might use some temporary variables, nothing more than that. With this we complete third type of a linked list, which is double linked list. In the next video, let's start the fourth type of linked list, which is circular double linked list. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.